Some dreams are big. Some dreams are small. Some dream to go from place to place. Dreams of love and ever after. Dreams and sacrifices that builds the future. Whatever the dream or step or journey, you can do more with a partner that cares about your dreams. Access, more than banking.
Now let us look at those equities on the flip side of the market yesterday. Last week. Let me look at ETI. ETI, the expectation is so positive. Why is ETI a living stock being found among users?
I think if you look at that chart, ETI and Veritas are just a market play. ETI just lost 20 kobo, which can happen any day, and Veritas just lost a kobo. Right. So they be there just a market play, like I told you.
Apparently, people are still they have not forgiven Resta in their not too impressive auditor.
Yeah, you know they gave 5 kobo and 10 kobo in bonus, 1 for 33. It went up because of that. I think it's even the going up service, it even tried because there was a real decline in their revenue because of the COVID year. So I believe it has climax is coming back home.
It's coming back. So now, Resta is at a point when it could be considered, I guess.
No, it has not even declined much. By the time you say Resta, maybe like 3 naira or less than 3 naira, then you can consider it.
All right. For AECO and Sovereign Insurance, Sovereign Trust Insurance, we're going to be discussing that because, again, we have the second quarter 2021 second quarter earnings possibilities as in projection. We have it here. Smurfit.
I think that was supposed to be smart product.
Yeah.
Smart is actually belong to ASM. A lot of information were really not available as far as concerned.
But that loss within 1 week was huge, 38.46%.
You know, it could just be like 2 deals, 100,000, 100,000.
And the price is now at 16 kobo. Wow. All right. We're now to take the time to go to earnings release to the market in the course of the of last week. Of course, there were about 3 of them, but we chose to talk on only 2. We're going to be looking at Total. Total now, for their turnover, there was a growth of 41.82%. But you see, the significant thing here and the impressive thing here is that their profit after tax grew from a negative 537 million in the COVID 2020 to 8.065 billion in, well, there's no lockdown. There is still COVID. It's not.
Yeah, there's no total lockdown in the economy now.
Somebody was talking about 4th variant. It was 3rd variant that I had the other time, but somebody was talking about the 4th variant. But there has not been lockdown. We pray there's not going to be lockdown again. And that suggests that you and myself, all of us, should endeavor to observe the rules as set by the government. Looking at this performance from Total, what was the immediate reaction from the market, Haruna?
It was a fantastic performance, good recovery. It shows a company and management that they take advantage of a situation. Yes, lockdown was what was responsible for what we are seeing, a loss of 537 million. But when there was no lockdown, they make use of the time. They make use of the resources and make sure that they recover. See the recovery, 1,601%. I think that is fantastic.
And that suggests that Total, one should have probably bought into it long time. I could see 2 straight days of jump. And the first day, it grew by maximum 10%. The second day, it grew by maximum 10%. And from what I'm seeing in Total now, don't you think it's flat? Do you still see possibility of further growth in it? The indicators are not
Total
seeing
is ICAP. There is every possibility. You know, to 100,000 units for ICAP is very hard to come by. But there's one thing, you know, they pay interim dividend of 4 naira. So there's every possibility that it might not gain full 10% again, but consequently, it will be adding 1%, 2% here and there.
Before I allow you to go for further celebration of your birthday, Africa Prudential, the turnover declined 10.93%. Profit after tax declined 23.57%. Earnings per share from 54 kobo to 41 kobo. Are you expecting the price to decline this week, though it gained last week?
I believe the market will reprice it, because if you look at the quarter 1, the growth was just marginal, 11.7% from 17 kobo to 19 kobo any per share. That was that quarter 1. I think what I see in AfriPrud is, you can see that they declined their top line. I see that they are losing their market share. And the profit after tax decline just show that either they have fixed costs that cannot be managed, or they are not managed their costs very well.
All right. Looking at the price here, even if their result had been good, by the time the equity move 1 or 2 more days, it should actually begin to look down, because I could see on Williams percentage here, I could see money flow index here, I could see stochastic here. All of them are indicating that Africa Prudential is actually overpriced. I want to say a very big thank you to you, Aruna, that despite your celebration, you were able to make it to the studio with us. All right, we hope to be with you again next week. Happy celebration.
First Money is Nigeria's biggest and most preferred agent banking network. Thanks to First Money, millions of people are living their dreams. Meet some First Money agents who are driving this.
First Money is the best POS that we use in my area. I started with 1 container beside me. This is my main branch. I have up to 7 branches.
With First Money, I've been able to employ 6 staffs, which 5 are female. So I see First Money as a business to employ and also to empower ladies.
Through First Money, over 1 million people across Nigeria have their financial services needs met daily. In all the accessible local government areas, you are bound to find First Money agents. With First Money, we're bringing financial inclusion and the many benefits that come with it. You first, First Bank.